Можно, да?
Начали.
Hello everybody, my name is Natalia Haldeman. I'm the founder, CEO and the chairwoman of the California Russian Foundation in California. And I flew all the way from Southern California to Moscow to be a witness of the wonderful event and the wonderful occasion. Today we're achieving another World Book of Record of the Guinness record, and this time it's the largest buckle belt. And I would like to introduce you other two witnesses who also came here to witness the event.
Меня зовут Ким Лилия, я являюсь свидетелем рекорда Гиннесса «Самая большая пряжка в мире» и представляю здесь аудиторскую компанию AG Audit.
So this is Lilia Kim, and she came here, as I said, to witness the world record, and she's the representative of the AG Audit company. Actually, she's the general director of the company.
Я Виктор Авилкин, я являюсь заместителем директора кинофестиваля «Золотой Витязь».
And this is Viktor Avilkin, and he's the vice president of the International Cinema Forum Vitis. So it's important to say about the previous record, which was made in Texas, in Fort Ross, on February 3rd, 2011. It was achieved by ESPN in partnership with Graham Kelly, and the largest buckle at that time was 6 feet and 6 inches tall. I'm sorry, wide, by 8 feet and 6 inches tall. So today we're trying to achieve, of course, the larger number than that. So let's see and measure the buckle. All right.
Мы должны будем показать в камеру вот это, сколько там метров. Я не могу сейчас его поймать.
So the size is 399 inches, which is almost 4 meters. So it's 3 meters and 99 centimeters tall.
Ширину будем мерить?
Okay, so the width of the buckle is 2 meters and 60 centimeters, 260 millimeters, centimeters. So it's 2 meters and 60 centimeters. And now it is also important to say about the artist of that buckle. His name is Arkadiy Kim, and he did the buckle in the partnership with Argentum Cuprum company, and it is important to say that Arkadiy also achieved another world record of Guinness last year, and it was an art piece made with coffee beans. So this is the second attempt. Actually, this is another attempt of Arkadiy to break the record. Oh yeah, as you see, the style of the buckle, it has the illuminator, so it shows the Earth from space. So the idea is to promote Russian space program, and it is in honor of Russian cosmonauts and astronauts. So this is not just an art piece, it also a meaningful art piece. Сказала.
Все. Можно спускаться, я так думаю.
Ага. Ну что же, по размерам больше. Да.